Hey JC, it's Scott down here at the shop. I got your truck up on the lift. I don't know which way this thing's gonna be best, but I'm gonna go ahead and just show you what's going on. Got it running, we're up on the lift. Looks like this, I don't know if it's a resonator or expansion device. You can see it up there. It's leaking on the back side right against the frame. And I hope you can hear me with this. It's making quite a racket. But it looks like it has two connectors, one here, one up there. Comes down to a down tube, comes across to this thing, which looks like a flexible basically vibration dampener. The motor will twist, and then this can stay still a little bit, but it's broken right on the back here. I can feel it pushing out kind of right in this area right there. Whoops, I didn't have my thing right where you need to see it. It's blowing out right back up in here somewhere. That's your catalytic converter. I don't see anything going on with it right this second. And then it feeds back to the muffler. And then obviously a tailpipe. So, hope you can hear me on this. It's right there. Like I said, it's that resonator. And I don't think it's a resonator. I think it's a flexible expansion device. But you may need to take it to like Meineke or somebody to get it cut out and re-weld it in. I'll give you a number for a guy named Big Jake's Custom Exhaust. He may be able to help you a little bit better with pricing, but let's figure it out. Talk to you later.